Hello friends, very good evening. If you have related to SelectorsHub, Test Case Studio, or anything related to XPath or Selectors, also you can ask. So feel free to ask anything related to SelectorsHub or Test Case Studio. Just let me know if you can hear me. We'll wait for a couple of minutes so people will join. Okay, great. Let me just first give some of the great updates which Selectors have recently had. We launched the Selectors of 4.0, which has incredible innovations, and I hope you are enjoying them. And they are helping a lot to save a lot of time while generating the access-based relative XPath. Then smart maintenance feature to uh, verify all the XPath in single shot. Then UI customization is there, index-based XPath, jQuery is there. So lots of great innovation has been introduced in 4.0. So they must be helping you a lot. So if you have any questions around them, please let me know. I have already created the tutorials, so they are available. Please go and watch them. Explore the new features. The time you will spend to learn those features, the same amount of time you will be able to save every day while writing your automation script and maintaining your script. Apart from that, recently, I guess today only, the new release 4.01.1 is live now. With this release, you will be the Petro key has been disabled, so you will not be getting any Petro key pop up anymore. So that interruption is gone. So I'm sure like you will love this, and most of the people were waiting for this release. Apart from that, another great innovation has been added, that now you would be able to verify the jQuery JS path on SelectorsHub, and this will help you a lot to save a lot of time while writing the any automation script where you use jQuery, where you use Java JS path. So this is going to help a lot, very much, to all the developers and the automation testers, those who are writing uh, automation using JS or jQuery. So these days, like most of the people are moving towards JS-based automation frameworks or library, you can say. So for them, this is going to really helpful. Let me just quickly show you guys the change log for 4.0.1. So here is the, like, anytime you can check it out, these change logs. So let me just share this link. So here, if you see the change log, so the support for JSPath and jQuery right there in SelectorsHub. So now you need not to go and switch to, like, if we earlier, when you have to verify the JSPath or jQuery, we have to go to console, and then there we were able to verify. So just let me mark them available here. So now you see that you just click on it here, and if you write any jQuery, like this is the JS path, if it is written and you press enter, you would be able to verify. You need not to copy and then go back to console, and there you used to verify earlier, but not anymore. You can verify the JS path as well as this jQuery right there in SelectorsHub. So now you need not to go and waste your time to switching between console and SelectorsHub or Elements tab. Right there in SelectorsHub, you can do everything. Then disable the Petro pop-up, so that timer is not coming anymore. You see that there will not be any timer here. Let me just zoom in. So the timer will not be there, as well as that Petro pop-up will not come in between. So no more interruption there. So you this is going to help you a lot, and I'm sure everybody will love it. The improve the access XPath logic. So there was very corner issues. So now it has been fixed and improved a lot. So like basically you can inspect the parent and then child. So this will help you to generate the access based XPath. I will highly recommend watch this tutorial to understand about this feature. This will help you a lot to and will help you a lot to save a lot of time. Then added the tooltip on the access button. So like earlier it was showing that click to generate the access based XPath only, but now yes, this has been changed that when you will be in this mode on hover, you will get to know that here you can click on this to reset and go back to home screen. Like here you want to come, if you are inside here and now you want to go back, so how you can go back. So now this has the tooltip which will let you know that yes, by clicking on this you would be able to go back to the home page. Then zero count match color fix for access XPath. Earlier it was like when by default it used to show in this color, but when it becomes like you are generating, that time it was changing to red. So now it is fixed. It will be like whenever there is a zero, it will be in this color only. And then lots of code optimization has done. So the size of selectors hub, you will notice that here in Chrome store almost by 20 kb has been reduced. So you see that now it's just 3.5 kb. Earlier it was almost like 3.8 or 4 400 kb. So this has been optimized a lot. So this is going to, the performance has been uh, going to improve a lot. So you will love this one. And then huge thanks to QTP Sudhakar and the Gaurav Khurana for these great feedback and suggestion. They have suggested a lot of good features and improvement on 4.0. So that has been incorporated. I would say this 4.0.1 is completely dedicated to QTP Sudhakar and Gaurav Khurana. So kudos to you guys and thank you so much, brothers, for helping a lot and giving a great input. So these are some of the great features which has been recently released today, 4.0.1. If you haven't updated SelectorsHub on your browser, then please update that. And then, of course, like if you haven't checked yet 4.0 release, then please definitely check it out. Check out the video tutorials about that. All the Selectors of 4.0 playlist is there in the channel, so please watch that. So these are some of the great inputs and updates. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And guys, if you haven't taken the Selector Sub certification program, then I will highly recommend that please take the Selector Sub certification program. That will help you a lot to learn a lot of new concepts and myths and misconception about XPath, selectors, dev tools, which we have lived with. So that is going to really help you a lot. If you haven't joined the Selectors of Slack channels, please join that. And if you haven't joined the Telegram group, please join that. All the links will be I will leave in the description of this video, so you will find that. Also, let me add these links here, so you will get all the important link. Also, like let me show you that where like while using selectors of where you can find and where you can raise the issue if you find any issue in selectors of. So here on the right top corner, click on the selectors of logo. Here you will find all the important link like changelog, selectors of homepage link, all the tutorials link. Then this is the Telegram group link. So please join the Telegram group. From here, the Slack channel. If you face any challenge while using selectors or you got any issue, or if for your application if something is breaking, then feel free to let me know. I would highly request you and recommend you that please add the rating for selectors up. This will really motivates me and also spread the word about selectors up, so more people get to know about these innovations. Here you can raise any issue at Bagasura, like if you face any challenges or any improvement, or you feel that this is the issue or this could be improved this way for your automation work, then please let me know. Here you can raise the ticket. So these are the important links right there you can find. And if you feel that Selectors Hub, Test Case Studio, and my innovations are helping you in your job, in your work, please consider a small donation here. You can be a patron or you can donate through PayPal or Paytm, Google Pay, whatever you feel good. So here you can find the important link or anytime. And then you can get the unique key. You can take the try Test Case Studio. Definitely please try this one and take the Selector Sub certification from here. So this will help you a lot. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, any doubt. And please upgrade to the latest version of SelectorsHub. You will really enjoy all these features which I have shown today. And guys, if you want to write blogs or tutorial, you want to create tutorial on SelectorsHub, feel free to do that. Like there is no permission required from my end. There is no license, nothing like that. You can add tutorial. You can talk about 4.0 features on your blog post, tutorial or articles. You can write that and spread the word, because many people are still not aware about the innovations. Like they can they can verify multiple XPath in single shot. They can verify the complete locators page, XPath page, just in a go in few seconds. Still they are wasting hours of time, and in fact, like in some cases they are wasting almost like days of time. So this will help them a lot. Please do share selectors of 4.0 features and let the world know about it. Here is the changelog page which you can refer anytime. And let me just share you the Telegram group link, so which you can join for all the upcoming updates about Selectors Hub. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, so that like you don't miss any upcoming update on Selectors Hub. Test Case Studio, all the latest updates and tutorial you will get here. And also let me share the tutorial link, like how you can update the Selector Sub on your browser. It's just very simple. Just right click on your Selector Sub logo on right top corner, and then you would be able to do that. Like click on manage extension, and then you will get the update option. Feel free to ask if you have any questions. And this is the tutorial, like which you can refer, how to update Selector Sub on your browser. Great. So that's all, guys, from my end. If you have any question, feel free to ask, or else we can end the session for today. I'm holding for a minute. If you have any question, feel free to ask, or we'll end the session. Good. So I guess we are good for today. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. Have a great evening. Good night, and bye bye.